In under 5 minutes, you can turn your standard computer into a private and highly autonomous software engineering powerhouse. This is Gemma 4 Agentic V2. It is a model specifically tuned to bring cloud-level coding capabilities directly to your own local hardware. To follow along, you only need 3 things: terminal access, roughly 10 gigabytes of free disk space, and VS Code installed. Moving away from expensive, rate-limited cloud AI subscriptions begins with owning the model directly on your machine. To install the model via your terminal, use the Ollama interface. Type Ollama run Gemma 4 Agentic V2 and press Enter to start the download. If you prefer a graphical interface, you can use LM Studio. Search for the model name and select the Q4-KM version to download. Before you start, check your system RAM. You must choose a quantization level, like the 6 GB or 13 GB versions, that matches what your hardware can actually support. Matching the model to your hardware specifications is a critical step that prevents the system from crashing during a complex reasoning task. This model uses a dual teacher architecture to handle complex coding tasks. In the Settings panel, you can see the parameters for Teacher 1, known as Composer 2.5. This primary teacher handles the initial logic formulation and the step-by-step reasoning traces. If that primary logic step fails, the secondary teacher, Fable 5, automatically triggers to recover the process and find a valid path forward. This self-correcting logic loop is designed to significantly reduce the hallucinations that often plague standard models when writing complex code. To get the best results, start by giving the model context. Drag and drop your core project files, like an architecture markdown, directly into the chat window. When you ask for a feature, add a specific constraint to your prompt. Think through the design before writing the code. The model will respond with a structured implementation plan. This example shows a logical breakdown for a JWT system, covering everything from token generation to secure storage. Requiring the model to draft an architectural outline first results in code that is more likely to integrate successfully with the rest of your project. This model can also diagnose live server issues. If you see a CPU spike in your logs, copy that raw text directly from your editor. Paste those logs into the chat and assign the AI an operational persona, like an on-call engineer tasked with root cause identification. While a standard base model might offer generic advice, like restarting the server, the V2 Agentic model identifies the exact line in the logs causing the resource exhaustion. It then proposes a permanent fix, in this case, a specific SQL command to create a database index that resolves the underlying architectural bottleneck. Combining persona-driven prompting with raw terminal logs allows the model to map symptoms to architectural flaws without your sensitive data ever leaving your network. To use this model autonomously, install a bridging extension like RU Code from the VS Code Marketplace. Open the extension settings and point the API provider to your local host URL. This routes the extension's requests to your local model instead of a cloud provider. Ensure that your local Ollama engine is actively running in your terminal before you save this configuration, or the connection will fail. Now, the agent can propose terminal commands, such as dependency installations. It will wait for you to click Approve before executing the code on your system. This integration shifts the model from a passive chatbot into an active developer loop that lives directly inside your workspace. You now have a private, architecturally aware coding agent ready for use. Test this setup against your most complicated legacy codebase and see how it handles a real-world refactoring task. Subscribe for more deep dives into managing advanced local AI workflows. Increasing your engineering velocity requires the right tools, and the most reliable way to secure those tools is by bringing them completely in-house.